Turn your lights off. Turn your lights off. They're just blaring right at me. Can't believe people. He had to point his lights right directly at me for about a minute. It looks like to me the moon's gonna come down from the bottom, because it might be coming back up, I don't know, but I see more light starting to come. Now, I'm gonna go do some Pinterest pictures.